Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a key that is hard to put in a lock. I'll be going over some easy fixes and some causes of a key being hard to put into a lock. Let's get right into the video. There are 4 things that we will be talking about. The first thing is, are you using the right key? So what you want to do is take a look at the key. Now, I have lots of keys. This is actually only a portion of my keys. I have a whole other keychain that has a few other keys. But you want to make sure that you're using the right key. Now, for example, I have 2 keys. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. I have 2 keys that you can see right over here that look basically identical. Okay, I know how to differentiate them because of the brands on them, but essentially make sure you're using the right key. If you're not using the right key, then use the right key, and you want to just double check that you are using the right key, because obviously if it's the wrong key, it might go in partially, but it won't go in fully. Okay, it might be hard to put in the lock. The second thing is there anything that's blocking the actual lock hole? So remove the key, even if it's only going in part way, look at the lock hole and see if there's anything blocking it. You want to really make sure that there's nothing blocking that lock hole. You can just go and look right in there and make sure there's nothing in there. And what you can do is just like, you never know. I mean, maybe there is something in there. There could be a bug caught in there. There can be a piece of grass caught in there. It can be anything that you maybe don't see. So get a flashlight and look in there. Make sure there's nothing blocking it. See if, it only goes in, let's say 3/4 of the way, or is it almost all the way and it just won't go that last little bit. You can sort of use that as a guide. Sorry about that. The third thing that you need to think about is that you can use compressed air to blow out anything that is in the lock. So if that's something that you can grab, then grab it and pull it out if something's caught in there. But there might just be a whole bunch of dirt that's caught in there. You never know, right? Maybe when you were mowing the lawn, there was a whole bunch of wind that blew some dirt into the lock, or over the years, maybe it just accumulated in there, and now you can't put your key in fully, okay? Or it's hard to put in. So essentially, you can use compressed air, or even just use your breath and blow into there to blow out anything that is potentially in there, okay? Lastly is number 4, which is you can lubricate the lock and the key. Now, don't go spraying anything in the lock. Don't do that. I've seen people do that. It's not such a great idea. What you can use is actually the graphite from a pencil. So what you want to do is take a pencil that has been sharpened and just rub the actual graphite of the pencil onto the key. Then take that key and just put it in and out a few times like that. And what that's going to do is that graphite is going to lubricate the lock safely and properly, and it won't damage the lock. Okay, and that's it. I mean, obviously, if you can put your key in all the way, but it's just hard to put in, then it's probably just a lubrication problem, and you need to use that graphite trick. If you can't get your key all the way in, then it's probably either the wrong key, something's caught in there, or you need to sort of blow it with a can of compressed air to sort of blow out any debris or any dirt that's caught in there. That's essentially it. That is basically how to fix and some causes for a key that is hard to put in the lock that you are concerned about. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.